Along with Google's Pixel 6, the Google Pixel 6a is now a top-tier Android smartphone. The Google Pixel 6a has all of the features of an Android phone. There are a few Pixel-specific features that Google has included in its phones. Stay tuned as we reveal the Pixel 6a's top 5 most powerful features. Reliable dual camera setup. Any smartphone camera, but especially one as cutting edge as the Google Pixel 6a, is an important selling point. In the event that you decide to purchase the Pixel 6a, these camera features will enhance your photos. The Pixel series from Google is known for its superb photographic abilities. The Pixel 6a retains the Pixel 5a 5G's successful dual camera setup. However, don't be fooled by the sheer number of cameras. You'll only need these two. As seen in many low-cost phones, Google's camera philosophy has been to offer fewer reliable cameras rather than more pointless camera lenses.
Pointless.
In addition to the dependable dual camera setup, the Pixel 6a camera includes all of the Pixel exclusive camera tricks. It is a handy feature called Magic Eraser, which allows you to remove unwanted objects and things from your phones with a single tap. On the Google Pixel 6a, however, Magic Eraser can also change the color of distracting objects to make them blend in. One advantage of having a device that isn't too bulky is how easy it becomes to carry around. The Pixel 6 had a body that made it ideal for your pocket, and the Pixel 6a is rumored to follow the same design language. We'll discuss this further down the video. Real tone is another exciting feature of the camera that ensures your image colors are as accurate as possible. 18-watt fast charging support. It is essential for today's smartphones to have fast charging capabilities. Fast charging keeps our batteries fully charged so that we can get back to work in minutes rather than hours. USB Type-C 3.1 on the Google Pixel 6a supports USB Power Delivery 3.0 at 18 watts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss our full review of the Pixel 6a when it launches. While it is much slower in performance than the best of the competition, it compensates for that with a fast-charging 4410 mAh battery, which won't keep you waiting for too long while charging. Small, pocket-friendly size. Every day, it appears as if smartphones are getting larger and more cumbersome. Google Pixel 6a, on the other hand, isn't one of them. OLED HDR display with narrow bezels, 6.1-inch 1080p OLED HDR. One of the most significant advantages of this is that you receive more pixels per inch. With a camera bump that is slightly thicker, the smartphone is expected to measure 6.0 by 2.8 by 0.35 inches. With dimensions of 6.0 by 2 by 8 by 0.35 inches, it's smaller than the Pixel 6, which has an estimated 6.2-inch or smaller display. Additionally, it has a smaller environmental impact than the Pixel 5a, which measures 6.1 by 2.9 by 0.3 inches. People usually complain about the size of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. This is great news. The Pixel 6a is rumored to combine a pocket-friendly body with a generally new design, and we'll tell you more in the new design segment of the video. Stick around. If you thought the 6.34-inch Pixel 5a was too prominent, the Google Pixel 6a might be what you're looking for. Surprisingly, the display size is identical to that of Apple's iPhone 13. It's also only 0.14 pounds heavier than the standard iPhone 13. Google's Tensor chip. Google's Pixel 6 smartphones, the first to use the Tensor custom SoC, are now available. The chipset has a number of serious flaws that need to be addressed right away. Is it capable of overtaking Apple? Is it based on the most advanced technology? When it comes to Google's most important workloads, Tensor is a special piece of silicon designed specifically for them. It should come as no surprise that Google's Pixel 6a uses Tensor instead of the CPUs from the previous generation. According to Qualcomm and Samsung, it is in direct competition with their flagship SoCs. This Tensor chip boosts the Pixel 6a specs altogether. As a long-term partner of Qualcomm and Samsung, Google could have purchased chipsets from either company. It would have been much less fun if they had done it that way. Google's own machine learning, ML silicon, was used in conjunction with commercially available parts to construct its own microprocessor with Samsung. According to the company, the machine learning models run nearly 5 times faster on the Google Pixel 6a than on the 5a 5G. New design. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro introduced a new design language. and the Google Pixel 6a is the company's first low-cost device to carry it. Dual cameras and an LED flash are housed on a camera bar on the back, which has a distinctive two-tone design. A metal structure holds it in place. The bottom half is made of plastic. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 is used to protect the front of the phone. There's no way to plug in headphones or a micro SD card. The selfie camera has been moved from the left to the middle of the screen, like it was on the previous model. The phone is available in new colors to distinguish it from the rest of the Pixel 6 series, including Sage, Charcoal, and Chalk. Most people know about Google Pixel's phones. Now, the company thinks it's time to introduce their new product onto the market. At I/O, Google announced that its smartwatch, the Pixel Watch, is coming soon. We've covered all the leaks we've gotten so far in this video. Pixel Watch Review, Pixel Watch Smart Leaks 2022. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one.